open one by one flash box. Let's open the Lafufu. Yo, why is it so blurry? It's so blurry. I made it, but I'm not drawing it yet. It's my Lafufu. I love the secret. I have one of these suction cups on, so like it will keep rolling. Okay, I'm gonna see what I do instead. Oh yeah, I want the secret, the pink one, or like a brown one, like a sesame bean, lychee berry, the secret, or so bad with sea salt yogurt. By the way, yes, this did not come with a box, so I'm so excited. Yes. It's a Lafufu. Yeah, she is kind of cute, but
four witches buried a monster deep in the woods. They buried a monster, they went on with their lives until
okay, why is that actually kind of cute though?
came along and decided to build
Yeah,
a house
that's
right where the monster
kind of
was
cute.
buried.
Look, it says the monsters, and it also says pot, and it also says monsters, and it also says pot mars. So, yeah, kind of like that. Okay, she's actually really cute. Hey guys.
Yeah, it actually was kind of a lame story.